Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to see Lorentz series in addition to the Taylor series. So how we have to solve the Lorentz series? Suppose we are having the question, obtain Lorentz series expansion for the function valid in the region. We are having a three region. First one is modulus of z minus 1 less than 1. Another one is z lies between 1 and 2. And modulus of z greater than 2. So always we have to remember Lorentz series region should be less than 1. So for the first step we are having modulus of z minus 1 less than 1. We all know that modulus of z means that is here x plus iy. So x plus iy is the root of x square plus y square. We can make that as a circle. But here we are having z minus 1. So to avoid this unnecessary confusions, we are making here as a u equal to z minus 1. From this we can find our z value. Z equal to u plus 1. So we all should know that u is z minus 1, z value is u plus 1. Now we have to look into our function. Our function is f of z equal to 1 divided by z minus 1 into z minus 2. So always we have to get a single function, single terms in the denominator. But here we are having the combination terms. So we have to make this as a partial fraction 1 by z minus 1 and z minus 2. So we can go for a by z minus 1 plus b by z minus 2. Now we have to find our a and b value by doing the cross multiplication. A into z minus 2 plus b into z minus 1 divided by z minus 1 into z minus 2. Here we are having 1 divided by z minus 1 into z minus 2. That is the function of f of z. So denominator and denominator will cancel. So we can write here f of z equal to 1 equal to a into z minus 2 plus b into z minus 1. Now we have to find our a and b value. Suppose if we are giving z equal to 2. So how it will be? So 1 equal to 2 minus 2 is 0. So 0 into everything will become a 0. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So b value is 1. Like the same way we can do here z equal to 1. So z equal to 1 in the sense we can make here 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 minus a. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 into everything becomes 0. Here a value is minus 1. So now we can make our f of z as f of z equal to a by. So a in the sense minus 1. Minus 1 by z minus 1 plus b by 1. So we can write here 1 by z minus 2. Now we have to look into our Lorentz series. We are having the modulus of z minus 1 is less than 1. We all know that we have replaced z minus 1 by u. So we can make this as a u is less than 1. So now we are making here f of z. F of z in the sense we can make this as a u plus 1 minus 1. So for z we can replace that by u plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 divided by z. Again we can write u plus 1 minus 2. So we can write here minus 1 plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. So we can write minus 1 by u. Here we can make 1 divided by u minus 1. So minus 1 by u plus, if we are taking this into numerator, we can make this as a u minus 1 whole inverse. Always we know the binomial formula as 1 plus x or 1 minus x. So we can take one minus outside so that we can write here 1 minus u. So both are minus means the total term will become as a positive. So minus u by minus of 1 plus u square plus u cube plus etc. After completing this, we can replace u by what we are having, u by z minus 1. So finally we can write minus 1 by z minus 1 minus of 1 plus z minus 1 plus z minus 1 the whole square. So this is the first region's Lorentz series. Next we have to go for the second region. The second region is what we are having as a second region, 1 less than modulus of z less than 2. So we are having modulus of z is lies between 1 and 2. So we have to split this by modulus of z and modulus of z less than 2. Now we have to make this term as a 1. This also have to make this as a 1. So we have to divide the both sides by modulus of z. Here we have to divide both sides by 2. So if you are dividing, it means we are getting here modulus of z less than 1 and here we are getting modulus of z by 2 So here we have divided by z no. So from the first term we have take z as a common. So minus 1 divided by z into 1 minus 1 by z. In the second term we have take